Okay, we are live at the Syracuse Nationals, and it's hot. Man, is it hot. Hot, and a little bit extra hot. So, but man, there are some really, really cool cars. I see a couple of 67 GTXs over there. See some really nice customs. Let's see what else we can see around here. You know, usually there's some really cool muscle cars, a lot of AMC cars, some Rebel Machines, AMXs. Hey, Chris, how are you? Say hi to all your fans.
Hey, what's going on?
That was our buddy Chris from Pep Boys, new manager over there. Actually, one of my old students. So, it's pretty good. Let's see what else we got going on. You know, I'm going to turn the camera around. And there's a nice Nomad over there. Let's see, everybody walking around. You know, Jeff Skeen is here today. Our buddy from Canada. Saw him out there. He came by, gave me a gift. And I love that guy. Always giving me something. Really cool guy. Oh, I got my son Chris with me today. Say hi, Chris. There we go. And so let me see how I turn this thing around. And how do I do that? Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That is a neat looking dually. Nice coupe there. Oh, look at that Willys over there. Or as our buddy Brendan said, Willis. A lot of guys call him a Willis. But I grew up, they were called Willys. Look at that. Big block. Betcha he wasn't foolish like me and drove up here. Yeah, we did pretty good. We did about half a tank of fuel for 50 gallons of gas, or 50 miles. So, look at that Willys. Man, that is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. 55. Yanko. I hope that's not a real one. All tubbed out like that. Poor thing.